Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Airlines Quest. Today, we've got some breaking news in the world of aerospace that's been making waves. Boeing is officially out of the running to build the Air Force's E-4B Nightwatch Doomsday plane replacement. Stick around as we dive into the details and explore what this means for the future of airborne command centers. So, what happened? According to a statement from Boeing, the aerospace giant's bid is no longer under consideration by the Air Force. Reuters first reported Boeing's elimination, citing challenges in reaching an agreement on data rights and contract terms. It seems negotiations hit a roadblock, and Boeing executives, after suffering billions in losses, are not willing to sign new fixed-price development contracts. Boeing has been the builder of the current E-4B, a modified 747, serving as the Defense Secretary's primary mode of transportation and a crucial airborne command center in emergencies. But why the change? Well, Boeing's sustainment arm, Boeing Global Services, is typically a profit-earning division. However, recent challenges have led to a strategic shift in approaching new contracts. According to a Boeing spokesperson, their proposal was based on 60 years of military commercial derivative aircraft knowledge and experience. The E-4B Nightwatch, currently serving the National Security Command and Control mission, has been a cornerstone of their legacy. But with an increased focus on long-term business health, Boeing has chosen to step back from this particular opportunity. So, who's left in the game? Sierra Nevada Corporation is now the sole public competitor vying for the E-4B replacement contract. The Air Force's fiscal 2024 budget showed a significant increase in funding for the SAOC replacement effort, totaling approximately $889 million for the upcoming fiscal year alone. The anticipation is building as we move closer to the expected contract award in 2024. Now, while Boeing is not alone in opposing fixed-price development contracts, the aerospace industry is navigating these challenges to deliver innovative and secure solutions. The landscape is evolving, and as threats change, so do the strategies to maintain a technological edge. It's a dynamic process, and companies like Boeing are actively engaged in finding solutions to meet the evolving needs of their customers. And there you have it, the latest scoop on Boeing stepping back from the E-4B replacement bid. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more aerospace updates, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, fly high and stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of aviation.